Hello, friends. Today topic we are going to see about paper to computer science, one of the important concept, artificial intelligence. This is natural language processing. It's coming under the artificial intelligence concepts, one of the main concept in this one, artificial intelligence. First one, what is natural language processing? So, natural language processing in the field of computer science and subfield of its artificial intelligence, it's used to make the computer understand human language. Just it's going to understand human language, and it will again just we can get the this one reply. So NLP uses a computational linguistics, which is study of how language works, and various models based on statistics, machine language, and deep learning. This is not a separate technology. It's working under the artificial intelligence, and it's working with machine learning, deep learning. These are the things. So this technology allows computers to analyze and process text or voice data and their full meaning, including speakers, writers' intention, and emotions. For example, we can take Alexa. Whatever we say, it will do. I guess it is chatbot, anything, even GPay. If you have any queries about GPay or any transaction failure, just we can text this using with chatbot. Yes, NLP powers many applications that use language, such as text translation, voice recognition, text summarization, and chatbots. Even we can use some of the applications via ourselves, such as voice-operated GPS systems, digital assistant, speech-to-text software, and customer service bots. So NLP also helps businesses improve their efficiency, productivity, and performance by simplifying complex tasks. So working of natural language processing. In working in NLP typically involves using computational techniques to analyze and understand human language. Those are very interesting in mathematics. It will be very interesting to work out this one actually. It's like a mathematical one. So this can include tasks such as language understanding, language generation, and language interaction. So here we have some of the steps just we are going to see. First one, text input and data collection. How we are going to collect the data? So gathering the data is very much important whenever we are using this work concepts, everything. Also, we can get data from websites, books, and social media and proprietary databases. So whatever collected data, how we are going to store, so which are stored in database. So these are the concept we'll see under the data storage concept. Next one, text processing. So here, processing is here important to clean and prepare raw text data for analysis. So first one, tokenization. So tokenization means actually this is one of the important concept in compiler design also. In lexical analysis normally we used to see. So normally tokenization means splitting text into smaller units like words or sentences. Even we can say, for example, anything just we can say one sentence. Even that sentence we can divide, it's like data type variables or whatever, and everything we can use. It's separate smaller units we used to divide. And lower caste. So converting all text to lower caste to ensure uniformity. And stop word removal. So removing common words, like for example, I am using and the or something common words, just we have to remove and we have to say the significant meaning. And punctual removal. So removing punctual marks. And stemming and lemmatization. So reducing words to their base or root forms. Stemming cut off suffixes, while lemmatization considers the context and converts words to their meaningful base form. Next one, text normalization. So standardizing text format, including correcting spelling errors, handling some special characters, everything. Text representation. So bag of words, B to BOW. So representing text as a collection of words, ignoring grammar and word order, but keeping the track of word frequency. Term frequency inverse document frequency. So here's the importance of your word and document related to the collection of documents and word embedding. So next one, future extraction. So extracting meaningful future from the some data. It can be used various NLP tasks. First one n-gram. N-gram means actually here we have 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, depends on the words we can divide and we can take it up, put up to us, yeah, n grams. So capturing sequence of n words to preserve some context or word order. So syntactic features. So using parts of speech tags, syntactic dependencies and pastries. And semantic features, leveraging word embeddings and other representations to capture word meaning and context. So next one, model and selection and training. So here selecting and training in a machine language or deep learning concept. It's a specific NLP task. Here we can use supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning means is using labeled data. Unsupervised this one unlabeled data. For example, supervised learning using labeled data to train models like support vector machines, random forest, deep learning models like any CNN, CNN models or RNN models. Unsupervised learning means applying techniques like clustering. Cluster means actually grouping. Actually, some of the data we are going to take as a grouping concept. So clustering and topic modeling also. So next one, pre-trained model. Utilizing pre-trained language models such as BRT, BERT, GPT, or transfer-based models untrained like this one, large corpora. So model development inference. So deploying the trained model and using it make predictions or extract insight from some new text data. Text classification, categorizing text into predefined classes like spam detection and sentiment analysis. That's the thing. Next, named entity recognition. So identifying and classifying entity in the text. Next one, machine translation. So translating text from the one language to another language. Next, question answering also we can use here. Next one, evaluation and optimization. Evaluating the performance of the NLP algorithm using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and anything. Hyperparameter tuning. So adjusting model parameters to improve performance. And here error analysis also. What does error analysis means? Analyzing the errors and to understand the weakness and any errors is there. Just going to find out the errors and going to analyze the errors. Last one, iteration and improvement. So continuously improve the algorithm by incorporating new data, refining pre-processing techniques, experimenting with the different models and optimizing futures. So these are the terms working the principles of NLP. Next one, applications of NLP, natural language processing. Here many applications we are using. So some of the applications I have given here, spam filters. Spam filters is one of the most irritating things about email is spam. We know that spam, we are getting so many spam messages. Gmail uses natural language processing to discern which emails are legitimate and which are spam. It will divide, it will send to the unwanted mails to the spam. That is going to filter. It's going to use to filter the every emails, which one is important, which one is this one, advertisement like this. So the spam filters looks at the text, all the emails you can receive and try to figure out what it means to see if the spams or not. Next one, it's going to use algorithmic trading. So algorithmic trading is used for predicting stock market conditions. Using NLP, this technology examines new headlines about companies and stocks and attempts to comprehend their meaning in order to determine whatever buy or sale. It will be very interesting and very important for trading concept. Question answering. So NLP can be seen in the action by using Google search or Siri services. It's used to search engines understand the meaning of what we are asking. For example, I'm going to ask some words of, for example, pronunciation. So it will understand and it will giving some of the reply for us. No, that is called as a question answering. So next one, summarizing information. So on the internet, there is a lot of information and lot of comes in the from the long documents or articles. So NLP is used to this one meaning of data and will convert the meaning of data and provide shorter summaries of the data so that humans can comprehend it more quickly. So NLP means is very important concept in AI, artificial intelligence. Apart from that, we have in the future scope bots and supporting invisible UI and smarter search, and we have lots of benefits for NLP using NLP, natural language processing. Every day we are using nowadays Alexa, chatbot, any have doubts and for any websites they have created for our own chatbot. Just directly we can use help desk. It's like a help desk. We can get any clarification for that regarding help desk. So these are the things about NLP. And thank you all of you. Thank you once again.